Hey everybody, this is Wheel Tough, and it's been a little while since I've posted a video, so just thought I'd post a little something today. It's a short one, and here's me catching a little break while some train activities going on. Pretty rare to see here. Usually you don't even see a train, much less people walking around and kind of doing train stuff, which I have no idea about. Anyways, that was pretty sweet to watch, just kind of see them drop something off and get back on and walk around. And from here, I just go on a little bit of a ride. Weather's been pretty good as usual. It's going to start getting way too hot, so trying to get some rides in. Anyways, I'll be quiet and hopefully the rest of the video is fun to watch. Here's hoping your next ride is your best ride.